Last week under the series Let's Fix the Kitchen, we had made a video on tomato ketchup, and this week another monthly grocery item, fruit jam, we are talking about. We make chapati in the morning, roll it with jam and offer it as a breakfast, or for evening snack, bread and jam, and we assume it is highly nutritious or at least good for kids because it is made of fruit. Yes, fruit, along with it there goes in so many chemicals, and let me tell you why it is dangerous when offered regularly. Fruits are boiled at a higher temperature, killing in all the nutrients, especially vitamin C. It contains a lot of sugar. Kids are addicted to sugary foods. They wouldn't eat other foods, and then you will call them fuzzy eaters. It has calories, but it will not fill in your kid's stomach, and hence obesity in children. Then pectin is added, which brings in acidity and bloating to increase the shelf life. Preservatives to make it finger licking good. Additives, definitely not recommended. Finally, jam may come with some amount of nutrients, but highly negligible when compared to a fruit. Store-bought or homemade, please do not use it. Healthy alternatives are honey, homemade peanut butter, dry fruit sauce, the recipe which I have shared, then chutney powder. Do give it a try. And under the series, if you want me to make more videos, let me know. Please comment and motivate me. Bye-bye.